Suzhou Snoofu Transmission Co. Limited is specialized in precision reducers. We focus on high-performance power transmission solutions for industrial robots, new energy, engineering machinery, and automobile manufacturing. We focus on the industrial automation field, pursues the leading transmission technology, and provides high precise and sharp precision gear structure reducer products. The main products is high precision planetary gearbox, planetary reducers, hollow rotating platform, gear reducers, RV reducers, harmonic reducers, high precision right angle gearboxes, etc. Our reducer with high precision, strong rigidity, low noise, long service life and maintenance free. All the products are widely used in different fields such as automation industry, industrial robot, medical equipment, environmental engineering, logistics, plastic machinery, lifting and transport, parking, automobile manufacturing, textile, food and so on.